Whenever I teach parabola, more often than not, student ask me whether we can find focus, directrix, vertex, axis for any general parabola of second degree. Say for example, we need to find focus, directrix, vertex and axis of this parabola, which is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. And as an example, we'll take a question which is we need to find focus and vertex of 16x square plus 8xy plus y square minus 74x minus 78y plus 212 equals 0. Now, before getting on with this question, we already know that in case of a parabola, PS is equal to PM. So if I say focus of parabola is at x1, y1, and suppose its directrix is Lx plus My plus n equals to 0, then I can write equation of parabola as under root of x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square, and it will be equal to Pm, and that will simply be Lx plus My plus n upon under root of L square plus M square. Now, if we'll square this, then we can write this as x square plus x1 square minus 2xx1 plus y square plus y1 square minus 2yy1, and here will be L square x square M square y square plus n square plus 2lm xy plus 2ln x plus 2mny upon L square plus M square. Now what I'm interested in is coefficients of x square, y square and xy. So I'll multiply this L square plus M square on the left. I'll write L square plus M square into x square plus, now for y square again will be L square plus M square y square, and I'll ignore all other terms, and on the right I have this L square x square, then I have M square y square, and we have 2ln xy, and then I'll ignore all other terms. So I'll cancel this L square x square, so I'll write M square x square plus, here I'll cancel M square y square, I'll write L square y square, and then I have 2lm xy and plus all other terms. Now I can write it as a perfect square. I can write it as mx minus ly whole square and then plus, and which is equals to 0. Now if I look at this directrix, it is Lx plus My, and here I have mx minus ly. So basically it will be a line which is perpendicular to directrix, and any line perpendicular to directrix will be parallel to axis. So I can take this mx minus ly as any line parallel to axis, and if I consider any line perpendicular to this line, suppose I'll take Lx plus My, that line will be parallel to directrix. So what I'll do is, from this perfect square, I'll change the axis parallel to axis and directrix of parabola. And how do we do that? So what I'll do is, I'll take this mx minus ly as some x dash, and I'll take Lx minus My as some y dash, and then I'll get a parabola which is related to our standard forms. Now, how do we express this as a perfect square? We know that this equation will represent a parabola when h square is equal to ab. So here I'll get ax square plus 2abxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now it is a perfect square, so I'll write ax plus by whole square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So what I need to do is I'll just need to take ax plus by as x dash and bx minus ay as y dash, and then my parabola will transform to any standard parabola. This is how we solve questions on general parabola. So now we'll solve this question. So I can write this equation as 4x plus y whole square. So it'll be 4x plus y whole square minus 74x minus 78y and plus 212 equals 0. So what I'll do is I'll take this as a line parallel to x's. So I'll let 4x plus y as some x dash, and a line perpendicular to it I'll write x minus 4y and say it is equal to y dash. Now we need to find x and y in terms of x dash and y dash. So I'll need to solve these two equations. So I'll multiply this first equation with 4 and I'll add them. Then I'll get x as 4x dash plus y dash upon 17, and if I multiply second equation with 4 and subtract second from first, I'll get y as x dash minus 4y dash upon 17. So now I'll put the value of x and y in this equation. Now 4x plus y is simply x dash, so I'll write x dash square, and this is 74, and x is 4x dash plus y dash upon 17 minus 78, and it is x dash plus 4y dash upon 17 and plus 212 equals 0. So I'll take this x dash together and I'll take this y dash together. So if I'll simplify this equation, I'll get this equation as x dash square minus 22x dash plus 14y dash plus 212 equals 0. Now I'll make it a perfect square. So I'll add 121 and I'll subtract 121. So I'll write x dash minus 11 whole square, and here will be minus 14y dash and then minus 91. So here I'll take minus 14 common. So I'll write this equation as x dash minus 11 whole square, and this is minus 14, and this is y dash, and plus 13 by 2. Now I'll compare it with standard parabola. So standard parabola in this case is capital X square equals minus 4ay, where capital X is x dash minus 11, capital Y is y dash plus 13 by 2, and value of a is 7 by 2. Now the first thing that we'll find in this question is its focus. So we know that focus is x equal to 0 and y equals minus a. So I can write x dash minus 11 equals 0 and y dash plus 13 by 2 equals a, and a in this case is minus 7 by 2. So I'll get x dash as 11 and y dash as minus 10. So now I'll put the value of x dash and y dash in these equations. So I'll get 4x plus y equals 11 and x minus 4y equals minus 10. Now I'll multiply this first one with 4 and I'll add the second one. So I'll get 17x, and this is 44 minus 10, so that is 34. So value of x here is 2, and if I'll put x as 2, I'll get y as 3. So focus of this parabola, it will be at 2, 3. In the same way we can find vertex also. Now for vertex, we'll need to put capital X as 0 and capital Y equals to 0, and from there we'll get x dash and y dash, and from this first equation we can find the value of again x and y, that is vertex of this parabola. Now we'll find equation of directrix. Now we know that for this parabola, equation of directrix is simply capital Y equals A. So y in this case is y dash plus 13 by 2, and this is equals to A, and A is what? A is 7 by 2. So I'll get y dash as, now 13 minus 7 is 6. So simply it will be minus 3. So we'll put y dash. Now y dash is x minus 4y. So it will be x minus 4y equals minus 3. So equation of directrix of this parabola will be x minus 4y and plus 3 equals 0. So this is how we find focus, vertex, directrix, axis, latus rectum, everything for general parabola.
Hello and welcome to the world of mathematics. I present my website www.mathsmarazing.com and my YouTube channel Mathsmarazing for your kind perusal. If you like them and are inspired by the possibilities, then consider subscribing and sharing it with someone you know who might benefit from it. Thank you.